To renew a Greek passport, you must already be a registered Greek citizen and have a valid Greek national ID card. You must apply in person at the Greek Consulate that serves your region. Appointments are required and often booked out months in advance. Required documents include your expired or expiring Greek passport, valid Greek ID, 2 passport photos, 4 by 6 centimeters, white background. Photo must be taken in a neutral expression. Proof of residence. Payment for the consular fee. This is typically around $85. Completed passport application form. Photos must meet strict specifications. Do not use casual or self-taken photos. The average processing time is 3 to 6 weeks after your appointment. You cannot submit the application by mail or through someone else, unless the consulate specifically allows it with a power of attorney. Most require you to appear in person. Mistakes that cause delays include missing or expired Greek ID, incorrect photo dimensions, incomplete documents, using outdated forms, not checking your consulate's specific requirements. Major consulates include New York, Boston, Toronto, London, Sydney, and others. A full list is available on greece-media.com. Renewal can also be done while visiting Greece at a passport office through the local police. Only passport renewals are covered here. First-time applicants must go through a separate process. For more details, visit greece-media.com/passports. Thank you for watching.